do feel I have this quest to really inspire women from teenagers on up to the over 40 of what it takes. And also that as a teenager, I didn't think over 40 would still look this vibrant. You know, I look at pictures of you on the beach and, you know, I'm thinking that's a 24-year-old.
It's amazing what mindset, a healthy diet, staying away from, you know, a variety of foods that just don't help us. It's not taste good. It's not an Italian. I don't like regular pizza, loads of pasta. But in the long term, it doesn't aid me. It doesn't give me more energy, make me feel better. It's not just about, you know, how my bikini looks like. It's about how I care about having the amount of energy to do the things I want to do, because my brain is like a 25. So I want to make sure my body can keep up with me.
I love that. You want to make sure your body can keep up with you. You know, when you're not acting or auditioning, what do you love to do?
Well, as many on here, I recognize their names. I love to cook, obviously, and I've been sharing that as well. And some of my recipes, for a while, I started taping them, and they're on a YouTube channel called Sofia with Sofia Milos. So you can find my best lasagna. You can find even some Greek things like bamias, which is okra. You can find a variety of mostly Italian foods that I enjoy cooking, and variations of, you know, like eggplant parmigiana. Instead of making it fried the way it's supposed to be originally, I will grill each slice of the eggplant, and maybe as a variation, instead of with mozzarella, you can make it with goat cheese, and instead of making it layered like a lasagna, you can little eggplant towers and top it off with a bacon. You know, like I say, we eat with our eyes first, right? So for me, aesthetic things is not necessarily, or it isn't about vanity. It is because we eat with our eyes first. It's a very Italian thing. I was very blessed and lucky because my mom is Greek. I was born in Switzerland. My dad is Italian. I'm then raised with a French family, as my parents were working hard. And so as a family, she's actually Tunisian, learned Italian from me. I learned French from her. So I was pretty lucky. Communication has always been the most important thing to me. And I think even choosing an actor ultimately, or painting, choosing to be a painter, that's what it. That's why when I take a role and I see words on a page, those are words, and then we step in and we make it ours, and we want to tell you a story and emotion and feel something. And I think that's the art of storytelling.
Feeling something. That is the art of storytelling.
Your husband and your whole family inspire me. By the way, all of my friends, I know this woman for 23 years. It's the most inspiring family and couple. I salute you and Michael. I mean, the kind of marriage that you still have, like little lovebirds, and the joy of play and life and creating together and sharing. That energy is what keeps you so beautiful and young. It's a mindset, and you live it and you share it, and I applaud you and I admire you so much.
The Italian in me is punching and smacking. Thank you. Well, you have this beautiful discipline to keep yourself looking good, putting the work in, and actually being able to inspire others more than push people's buttons.
It's very observant what you just said, and coming from a beautiful woman, it's probably something you had to learn as well. And it's a different type of communication, because first of all, I do it for myself. Put a little makeup on, give myself a facial, give myself a little spa time, work out. I do it so I feel healthier. So maybe I didn't do an hour, but I did 45 minutes. I'll work out because it just pumps some blood and oxygen into my brain. I will feel stronger. I feel better. I work on my mindset. right? I'll look decent going to a grocery store. But then again, my mom does that too, and she's 80 years old. I mean, she'll literally put on lips and a nice shirt, and she'll go for a grocery store. I mean, well, we don't even go and throw out the trash without looking.
Put together.
It's a standard, and I like to believe that I do everything in my power to raise my standards about me and around me, and to inspire that as well, because it just leads to better living, and then to less upset over things not going exactly the way you thought, because everything looks prettier and you're stronger and you feel better about yourself. So see, life looks better too. The scent, the smell, the what we see, what we hear is all important. It all contributes to us, and then we can contribute more, because it doesn't end there. It's not an inflow. It's all about what you give, right? Ultimately, it's about that.
Do you know how many caps I went through till I got a cap that I like the sound of?
Oh, really?
I love the sound of that cap.
It's a really, you know, that cream is fantastic. It's so beautifully rich, and my skin is like dry, but even when it's warm, I can, sometimes I like to put your serum, your vitamin C serum with it, and it makes it a little lighter. Yeah, that one. I just ordered a new one. I'm just going to get a new one. I saw the email.
Oh, well, then I'm going to send you an extra something. Yeah,
you did job, by the way. And I love the smell. See, that's another thing. Smell, feel, how it feels. All these things are so important. Oh, and by the way, I love that. The polish. Oh my God, you guys. Yeah. And on here, on this call, this is fantastic. I just tried that. It's for the past few. Does it look good? Is it nice?
Come on. I can't even take how you glow. We did a little dropper with it. I wanted something that had scrub to it, but that was super fine, because
yeah, I like it. I think
even when you get older, your skin doesn't exfoliate as fast. And so the way to get full usage out of your glycolic cleansers or your moisturizers is to just keep that exfoliation, keep the skin revitalized, keep that dead skin off, so that all of your serums.
I do know, and I really loved it. I just wanted to let you know, I really love that
bamboo polish.
Okay, love it.
Bamboo polish. It's got salicylic acid. It's got organic witch hazel, aloe, bamboo polish, panthenol B5. You know, I'm just trying to help girls love their skin and put something on your face that won't toxify your body.
Right.
You know?
Right.
These are many things that I learned from my Sicilian grandmother, who would take avocados. She would take the peel. Like, we were so broke that we used everything to the nth degree. The avocado peel she'd use on her elbows. Even banana peels on the bottom of her feet to soften it.
Everybody that doesn't know Denisa, because I see a lot of my followers there, she's also Italian American. So this is two Italian women here. You're from Sicily, right?
Yes. Yep. From Enna, right in the middle.
And I love that you still appreciate all the Italian foods. You're such a foodie yourself. You're so Italian. I had the pleasure and honor to meet your mama as well. And I mean, for a while you had what, 4 generations of
five.
You know, my grandmother, for who doesn't know here on this call, is going to be, the end of this year, I don't know, we'll see if she makes it, 109 years old.
Oh, no, I'm not. Ma che cosa. I mean, it's incredible.
Like, she's what? I mean, she comes to my bosom. She's very tiny. She bore 12 children. Well, she, you know, if you look at that, she lives in a small town called Picerno. And so there is no GMOs and colorings and this and that. All the food is natural. You don't have to go and specifically go and find, you know, organic food or GMO free, color free, or high fructose free. These are all killers to our body. It's not because we're being picky of how we want to eat, but there is a big ingesting these foods that over time become toxic to us and just slow us down in every possible way. Or you can do without them and at 50 have the organism of a 25-year-old.
It's really true. When to see like the blue zones of the world, the healthiest people, so many of them are in Italy, you know, many of them are in South America, and so many of their habits involve making their food, right? Growing their food, harvesting their food, cooking their meals. You know, basically they're moving their body and they're eating stuff that's simple, ingredients that are simple and not in packages that have a cartoon mascot on it full of hydrogenated crap. You know?
Yes.
I tell people that basically if there's a commercial for your food, you probably shouldn't be eating that food if there's a TV commercial for it.
No. Oh, well, that's a good point, isn't it?
Right? Wow. Think about that. What do you buy? What do you cook with that has a TV commercial for it? You don't really buy Doritos.
You don't. Good point.
You don't really buy macaroni and cheese. You don't buy yogurt, things that you suck on.
Yeah, true. Oh my God, we have to, you know, so we don't have the excuse anymore to be in ignorance of things, but we can just learn about them, learn about the difference between one food, organic food or non-organic food, between, you know, if you're going to have a little dairy, does it really do to your body if you were to eat that all the time? Or what does it mean? We don't really have an excuse anymore not to get educated. We have so many choices nowadays, right? Yeah. Because of that, we're most likely could live very easily to 100. I think that's
what I want. I want to make it to 101. I feel like I don't want to just go to 100. I just want to go just past it. Like I can, my birthday's July 1st. I can die at 101 on July 2nd.
Let's do this. I will throw you your 101th.
and I'll have my daughter and a couple of 20-year-olds help you out, okay? But yes, I will let you host. I'll let you host my 101st birthday. About the couple of people mentioned about the polish. It's In Your Face Skincare. Go to the website In Your Face Skincare, and you can find the polish, the cream. They're all organic, natural ingredients. In Your Face Skincare, one word. We couldn't afford a lot of these expensive things. And when I started to look at the ingredients, I'm like, wow, they're full of a lot of cheap fillers that keep them on the shelves for 10 years, but they don't do much to your skin. Maybe they advertise jojoba or they advertise glycolic, but they have the teeniest bit in it. And I thought, wow, when I hit 50, I thought, I don't got much time. Like I need my second half of my life to have products that really work, really hydrate now, really exfoliate now, the way you would get when you go to a Hollywood spa.
I mean, that's what I like. I think it's the same as with the food that I choose, that I ingest and eat. If the list is too long and you can't even spell out some of the words, don't eat it. And the same thing. That's what I really applaud you on the products that you did, and the ones that I used and tried and loved, is that there's not a whole lot of ingredients in it, and mostly you know what they are. So if you, I love your philosophy. It's like if you can eat it, you can put it on your skin, and vice versa. And it's food for you. Really, that's what it should be, right? It's to preserve. I mean, we have so many pollutants now. We have sun, we have winter, we have the sun, different kind of weathers. We want to have something that protects it, and that's all it should do. It shouldn't do anything crazy. It should be natural. Cream, which instead of having a day and a night one, it's the same one. I love putting in the serum. Smells beautiful. I put in the serum to make it a little bit lighter. I love your serum. I could eat that. I put it from here to here, by the way.
Oh my gosh. I love hearing you say that. I love it. I love it.
I have an extra one now on the way because I want to take it to my mom if I can make it to go to Italy. Everybody that has been asking me.
You were talking about.
By the way, I mean, I love every single product. You started with just the cream and the serum, and then you've been this
the cleanser, a toner coming out. This will be releasing.
What is that? Oh, is that the oil? What is that?
Yes, it's the oil. We're releasing it in a month.
Wow. Are you saying it that way because I'm going to be one of the first trying it?
Hello.
There's a lot of on the call. So I'm very, 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 very grateful to all of you. And that's why I'm going to come and meet as many people as.
So fun. What an honor, right? That it made such a lasting impression, and it was just such a big part of people's lives.
Of the call that I can't say it enough from the bottom of my heart. You are like a sunshine. You brought it into your marriage. Both of you as a couple, it is sensational. It's heartwarming. It's such a beautiful.
Michael, get over here.
Yes, where is Michael?
I mean, oh, he's watching. I can't accept all this love all on my own.
I love you. Look at these. Look at the ears. They're the same lovebirds then and now and better, creating the most beautiful daughter, beautifying everything from food to skincare to what
music.
Whatever you do. Always. And the photo shoots you do, Denise, with Marla. Oh my.
That's everybody's reaction.
Oh, you guys, you have to go on Denise's Instagram if you are not following Denise and check out those shoots she does in the desert with another French.
When is life ever going to go, okay, it's good, you can go, I got this. You know, your desk is all cleaned up. I fixed all the plumbing. Yes, that's the point of it. Like, you just have to book it and go, because some trips, it's like my road trips with Marla. Like
Italy too. I miss Italy. I miss my mom. She needs me. I need to see her.
All right, well, I'm going to get you another jar for her, because it's easier to give it to you to ship it, and I'll get you another serum.
Amazing, amazing. Thank you so much. I hope I live very soon to give you a hug. I love you.
My face cream is in your face skincare. In your face, because aren't all Italians in your face, you know?
How you say
faccia. I love you. Thank you for this beautiful, spontaneous time.
Love you.
Love you. Ciao.
And bye. See you soon.